Okay, this is how you make the two different types of video posts for Meme Cabin. There is the single video post, which will probably be a little more common, and then there's the list post, the player post, which you'll put multiple videos into, which could actually be very popular if you're creating the right kind of content. To create the two types of posts, it's very, very simple. There are themes already created that will let you just plug in, change the information, and run. So you open a new post just like you always do. Give it a title. We'll call this Everything Wrong with Disney Movies. You're going to set the featured image. This is important. You want to take a screenshot from the post or get a good image that you can use and draw people in. This is the image that obviously will be used on Facebook and stuff. You'll want to change the title and description. Don't put a caption in there. I'm going to skip that for the tutorial. We're just going to set the featured image. And we're going to give it the category Awesome Videos. Always tag it Awesome Videos. Okay. Of course, we want to copy our title, put it down here. We'll put a teaser in there later. Now let's make the video post. To do this, just go to the backend editor. It will open Visual Composer, and you're going to click right here on the Templates button. Now, it might look different because I'll be adding different templates, but you need to find the Meme Cabin YouTube or Vimeo video post for a single video, or the Meme Cabin YouTube playlist post for the multiple. Let's start with a Meme Cabin single post. So just click it and it will create the post for you. Close the box once you see that it has loaded. Now you'll see that if you preview it right now, it will have content loaded from a draft, from a different video. All the text is just filler text. So all you have to do is go in and change the video, change the opening quote, change the introduction paragraph, change the closing conclusion paragraph. Now, this line can be anything you want. It's just a title, a teaser. You can just copy your teaser right into it if you don't have it up here. But whatever you do, just make it look cool. And all of our video posts will have a common theme, a common look to them. Okay, so we're gonna to do that, you just like you're editing any Visual Composer post, it's as if you have already added these elements to your own post, and all you do is edit each one. So for this one, why don't we say hilarious things I never would have seen. My brain's fried. Don't judge me for this content. Here we go. Now it's really important. You'll see things like the extra class name down here. Do not touch any of that. That's all built into this template. And if you change it, it will change the look and feel of it. And then you're going to want to come and change this introduction text. And it'll have instructions for exactly what to write. I'm going to skip that. You obviously know how to do that already. And then the video player, you just click the edit button. And you get the video that you want to use. You just copy the URL and you just paste it in there. Save it. Now edit the conclusion paragraph if you want. You can also just delete that paragraph if you don't want a conclusion. And then sign off your name. Edit this, whatever name you use for your sign off, put it right there. Okay, don't touch anything else, leave the spacers there. If you do want to add more content, make sure that there's a reason you're doing it. We do want to keep some uniformity to it. So now if we preview the post, we'll see that it has all changed. So now it has the new video we posted in. our new teaser. If we would have changed this text, it would have changed, as well as our name. And this post is basically ready to go. You just have to go do the rest of your stuff. You need to put a teaser in, copy it to the excerpt, all that stuff you do on regular posts. And then last of all, you just need to pick the layout that you think looks really good for the post. So this one is the default style. If I wanted to, say, change it to style 6, that might look pretty good. Okay, I actually kind of like that. It works for me. And you'll see that the post itself stays the same. And that's how you do it. Once you're done, save the draft, publish it if you're allowed to publish it. If not, submit it for review. Now let's learn how to do a multi-video post. This one is just a little bit different. So I'm just going to go ahead and copy this. I'm going to move this post to the trash because we're not going to use it. And I'm going to create a new blog post. We'll give it the same name. Everything's the same. Awesome videos, set the featured image. We'll use the one we just added. Back into backend editor. And this time you're going to choose the playlist posts, the Meme Cabin YouTube playlist post. Okay, so it just inserted that template into our post. You close this when you're done. And if we preview this, you will see that now we have a video playlist. Okay, so I can watch all of these one video at a time. Okay, it's going to pull up all of those. So this is a sample list of posts. It's a bunch of bad lip reading videos. And that's what will always be in there when you load the template. So to change those, and of course I'm assuming you know that you change all of this inside of this post as well. The only difference is the video player. And to do that, it's a little bit different because you don't copy and paste the URL, you copy and paste the video ID from YouTube. And that's what all of these are. Now it's very, very, very important that you follow this format exactly. You need to do the ID followed by a comma, followed by a space, followed by the ID, comma, space, ID, comma, space. And the very last one, make sure it ends with no comma. If you mess up any of that, some of your videos will not show up, maybe all of them. So to get the YouTube video ID, we just go to the video, we go to the URL, and everything after the last equal sign, copy it, paste it, comma, space. Then we want this video, so we're going to copy it, paste it, comma, space. Then we've got this video, copy it, paste it, comma, space. And our last video, copy it, paste it, and leave it right there. We'll save our changes, preview it, and it should have all 4 of our videos in there. And there they are. We've got, make sure that all 4 videos are correct. Looks like they're all good. So that's how you do it. Follow the exact same procedure for everything else in the post. Feel free to give your awesome video posts tons of tags, just tons, like The Incredibles, everything wrong with Disney movies. Tons of just creative tags. The more you do this, the more search engines will find your content. And that's it. Submit it. Publish it if you're allowed, and now you know how to make videos on Meme Cabin.